My name is Lora McDowell, and I work for Ram Restoration on the plumbing division and the roofing division.
Let's go.
I work a lot side by side with Ben and Jimmy. I am the bookkeeper for both of those entities. So it's a daily task to make sure that everything's coming in and going out on an easy flow. It's definitely something that I've learned self-taught. I didn't have any college or anything like that. Before that, I was actually a waitress at the Melody for 15 years. So a lot of self-taught, and put your head down and get it done. So I met my husband and we got married in 2004. We met in 2001. We have 3 children total. I have a stepdaughter that I met when she was 4 and helped raise her. And then we have 2 kids together, and I have 2 grandsons. So we grew up right outside of Christiansburg, Ohio. It's a very small little tiny town. 2-mile walk to town, that's what we did for fun when we were kids. I have 2 siblings from my mom, and then 3 other siblings with my dad. So it's a big family. From my mom and dad, I'm the youngest, and I was the only girl, so I got spoiled a lot because of that. But yeah, grew up in Christiansburg for most of my life. I was the youngest, so I was the picker of the family. I would start all the fights, and then they would get in trouble because they were the boys. They weren't allowed to pick on the little sister. I love working for Ram, to be honest. The environment is great. The way that they treat you like family and care about you like family is probably the #1 thing that definitely keeps me here for sure. It's definitely a fast-paced business. Like I said, if you put your head down and do your work, there's definitely a place for everybody here. I feel like, I'm here for the long haul.